हेलो एवरीबॉडी, दिस इज़ तरुण कपूर। वेलकम बैक टू एजो इम्प्रिंट्स। तो हम आज स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं हमारे MCQ ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशंस। दो आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड टू वीडियोज़ ऑन यूनाइटेड नेशंस। एक मैंने स्टैटिक जो यूनाइटेड नेशंस है, क्या ऑर्गन्स हैं, क्या उसके प्रिंसिपल्स हैं, जो डिफरेंट आपको स्टैटिक नॉलेज चाहिए यूनाइटेड नेशंस के बारे में, उसकी एक सेपरेट वीडियो है स्टैटिक जीके की प्लेलिस्ट में। और सेकेंड वीडियो आई हैव क्रिएटेड इन द ऑन द यूनाइटेड नेशन 1 year करंट अफेयर. In the current affair playlist you can see that, watch that video also. So students have been asking me for the so many days for the MCQs on the United Nations, so I have started this. So let's begin. The first question is, Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted in A 1920, B 1945, C 1948, D 1949. The correct answer is 1948. Do write your marks in the comment section. I want to know आपको कितना पता लगा है यूनाइटेड नेशंस के बारे में. The second question is, Security Council is A specialized agency of United Nations, B principal organ of United Nations, C NGO for settling disputes between nations, D none of these. The correct answer is principal organ. Okay, the Security Council is one of the principal organ of United Nations. Next is the number of judges constituting the International Court of Justice. A 15, B 12, C 10, D none of these. The correct answer is हमारे 15 judges होते हैं 9 year के terms के लिए. The fourth question is the General Assembly of United Nations. A most powerful organ, B a supervisory body, C an elected house, D none of these. The correct answer is supervisory body. Next question, in which year the United Nations was established? A 24th October 1945, B 24th October 1946, C 24th October 1947, D 24th October 1948. As we all know, 1945 में. Next, how many member states are there in the United Nations presently? 190 है, 130 है, 195 है, 197 है, 193 है. Next is, in which year the United Nations won the Nobel Peace Prize? A 2005, 2003, 1998, 2001. So, सभी को पता है 2001. Next is, the headquarters of the United Nations is located at A Geneva, B Vienna, C Nairobi, D New York City. The correct answer is New York City. Next question, who is the current Secretary General of United Nations? A Ban Ki-moon, B Kofi Annan, C Antonio Guterres, D Targi Lee. The correct answer is C Antino. The next question, who was the first Secretary General of United Nations? A Dag Hammarskjöld, B Tyagri Lee, C Yu Thant, D Boutros Ghali. The correct answer is B. The next question, what is the term of United Nations Secretary General? जो United Nation के Secretary General का क्या term होता है? 3 years, 6 years, 4 years, 5 years. The correct answer is 5 years. Next question, who coined the term United Nations? A Franklin D Roosevelt, Harry Truman, Winston Churchill, Joseph Stalin. The correct answer is A Franklin D Roosevelt. Next question, who was the United Nations first Secretary General from the African continent? A Kofi Annan, B Boutros Ghali, C Javier Paris Ki, D Kueller, D Ban Ki-moon. Correct answer is B Boutros. Yes, इस तरह के सभी questions I have covered in that two videos. Next question, which specialized agency of United Nations organization list World Heritage Sites? UNESCO, UNICEF, UNWTO, WWF. The correct answer is यूनेस्को की क्या फुल फॉर्म होगी? यूनाइटेड नेशंस एजुकेशनल साइंटिफिक एंड कल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नेक्स्ट है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट वन ऑफ द ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ द यूएनओ? फ्रेंच, स्पेनिश, अरेबिक और इटालियन. द करेक्ट आंसर इज, जो हमारा नहीं है वो इटालियन है, नहीं है, ठीक है, वो बाकी सभी हैं. टोटल कितनी है? 6 हैं. नेक्स्ट, द नॉन परमानेंट मेंबर्स ऑफ द सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल आर इलेक्टेड फॉर अ पीरियड ऑफ 2 years, 1 year, 3 years, 4 years? The correct answer is 2. 2 साल के लिए elect होते हैं non permanent members. Next, who was the first Indian to be president of UN General Assembly? A. Natwar Singh, B. V.K. Krishna Menon, C. Shrimati Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, D. Ramesh Bhandari. The correct answer is C. Shrimati Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Next is, which of the following is not the main organ of the United Nations organization? A. General Assembly, B. Security Council, C. Trusteeship Council, D. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. So D is the correct answer. Which of the following is not a specialized agency? अब हम एजेंसी पूछ रहे हैं. A. WTO, B. WHO, C. WMO, that is Meteorological Organization, D. World Intellectual Property Organization. तो हमारा करेक्ट आंसर है that is World Trade Organization is not a specialized agency. Do remember this. Which organ of the United Nations organization is responsible for coordinating the work of its specialized agencies? अब coordination का काम किसका है? General Assembly, Economic and Social Council, Security Council, Secretariat. The correct answer is हमारा B, that is Economic and Social Council. Next is, which organ of the United Nations has suspended its operation since 1904? A. Trusteeship Council, B. Economic and Social Council, C. Secretariat and International Court of Justice. The correct answer is Trusteeship Council. Next, which conference adopted the United Nations Charter on 26th January 1945? A. London Conference, B. Tokyo Conference, C. San Francisco Conference, D. None of these. The correct answer is San Francisco Conference. Next, the headquarters of World Meteorological Organization is located at A. Geneva, Switzerland, B. Rome, Italy, C. Madrid, Spain, D. Vienna, Austria, not Australia. The correct answer is Geneva, Switzerland. Next is, the headquarters of World Intellectual Property Organization is located at A. Rome, B. Vienna, C. Geneva, D. New York City. The correct answer is C itself. Next is, the headquarters of World Health Organization: Vienna, Austria, Bern, Switzerland, Madrid, Spain, Geneva, Switzerland. इसमें भी जेनेवा है. सो आई हैव मैंशन ऑल दीज जेनेवा के बिकॉज यू आपको रिमेंबर रहे, याद रहे, और डू लर्न दीज हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ ऑल दीज स्पेशलाइज एजेंसीज और द स्पेशलाइज ऑर्गन्स, बिकॉज एक क्वेश्चन इसके ऊपर जनरली हमेशा ही आता है. So do learn these headquarters very properly. And if you have still doubt about the United Nations, you can see that 2 particular videos which I have made on the United Nations. And one is in the static GK playlist and the second one is in the current affair playlist. So do refer them and that will be very useful for your exam. So if you like my videos, do like, comment and share my videos. And do not forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications automatically in the future. And hope to see you all in the next session. Thank you so much.